Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are back on Farming USA 2 for our harvest episode. I know the episodes have been delayed due to the fact that I just haven't been uploading. So we'll do an updated farm tour real quick. So to start us off, we got a Dodge Ram 3500 2023 model, or 2018 model. Oh, I gotta disconnect. Hold on, guys. I gotta disconnect the... So... Well, we're gonna sleep for the night, and then we will, now, I do plan to harvest this episode. So, once the night, so we're gonna just head on up to the house. Stop, break. Right there. And then we're gonna pause the video, and then I'm gonna go to sleep for the night. I'll see you guys when I wake up. Well, good morning, folks. Oh man. I forget my coffee. I gotta go back and get the coffee real quick. Got it. So we can head on down to the farm and then get the Dodge hooked up to the header trailer. Get it on out to the field. So we're good. We're gonna get the Dodge out to the field real quick. Well, hold on. I think we could. We'll just go ahead and refill our fuel. I don't understand how we don't have enough money to buy another tractor. But, so we're just gonna get, I think it's over here. Yep. And the header trailer hooks up. Hold on. From this side. So we're gonna pull around. Now, this camera I'm using now. So we're gonna hop out real quick. Make sure it's good. We're good. Get this on out to the field that needs harvested. So we're gonna get this one on out to the field, and then we will get the combine going as well. But I do need to check prices too, so once we get over there, before I tab back to the combine, I'll check the price range. Alright, well, we can go ahead and stop the time. Slow that down so we're not getting, like, screwed up. Now, I'm gonna park this. Hold on, what way is the header? So we're just gonna pull it straight on. Well, yep, like right there. Let's see, yeah, that'll work. Alright, so let's go ahead and pull up the, hold on. I'm gonna take a soil sample real quick of the corn. Well, I mean, it's looking decent. So we're gonna hop back in the truck. Actually, I can just pull it up here on the iPad. So market. So right now, corn is, well, I guess. So our next attack is the 8145R, getting it out to the field with the grain cart. No, we'll probably use 2 tractors. One load we may just take on to the elevator, and then one load we may take to the so we're gonna, good. So we're gonna hop out, make sure we got it. Yeah, we got it. So we're gonna, I don't want to attempt with 2 grain carts, so we're just gonna head on, get this out to the field, and then get it parked up. So we're gonna just get, the 8145R out to the field. Good thing the field's not far away. So we got our truck already out there with the header trailer. No, I may. Well, I really don't know, but like I may just bring the 1 grain cart or the 1 gravity wagon, because, and then kind of park it up here, and then once we get like a decent open area, we're gonna move it out into the field. I'm in the, well, so we're in the right piece of machinery. Our 9R, our 8R, or 7R, or 71, or 70, or our S780 combine. Now here's where the fun begins. Once the so I'm gonna hire Riley Spear to do this, while I get a couple other things switched around. You see, we got my buddy Riley riding with us in the buddy seat. He's gonna take over. Hey Riley, when we get out here, go ahead and hop out and guide me into the header, okay? And I'll get trucked up and I'll let you take over from there. So let's go ahead and get. So Riley went ahead and hopped out. So you can see him standing there. So I'm gonna slow my speed. No, go ahead and oh yeah, I gotta. No. Stop. Well, I don't want you going. No. Really? Hang on, I gotta get out, move. I gotta move the truck first. So, yeah, we had a little minor. Oh. Yeah, not a minor. Oh. What the? Okay. No, I think hang on. Let's try something. Alright, hold on. I need to get back in the combine. Yeah, it's got, like, it's stuck on the trailer. You can see, like, issues with it. Just get back up in here. Hold on, let me try and... Well... Now, lift up. Why is it... Well, I don't know why the header is through the trailer. Hold on, let me just try and tow the trailer home real quick. Well, I think that... Yeah, there we go. Now we're good, and then I'll take the truck back once I get Riley started and get the header trailer. So, I'm gonna have him dive in right there, yep. And then I'm gonna hop out, let Riley take over. You got this, bud. So we got our combine harvester running and harvesting corn. I'm gonna take the truck back and go get the header trailer real quick, because there was kind of a malfunction issue. I might edit it out. Actually, I'll wait until we're ready to move it. Well, even though Riley is like forgetting an entire like chunk of corn. Well, yeah, whatever he misses, I'll just go back and get. So, yeah, now I need, well, okay, so there's a section of corn that's not yet ready to go, but hey, we still gotta, work in what we got condition-wise. It'll be ready eventually to go. So, yeah. So, I don't know how much grain. Well, yeah, the moisture is at 15%. And I honestly don't know, but there's a couple shots of Riley just eating away at the corn. But yeah, now once all this corn is harvested, we may get an early jump into fall tillage, getting this field set up for the springtime. But yeah, so now this video is a shout out to Laura Farms and all the other farmers out there in the world. So enjoy what you can of this harvest season. The header's already getting dirty and the combine's not yet. But yeah, I may just go ahead and go get the header trailer now and let him finish. But where's the fun in that? Well, there isn't any fun. But, like, it does kind of need to be done. Yeah, well, I mean, not quite. Well, I meant to hit this button. And turn the camera to right there. Now you guys can clearly see what harvesting corn looks like down here in Nebraska, because this is a Nebraska map. But yeah, I don't know how much grain we're gonna get off of this field. I mean, I'm hoping for a lot, but no, I know it's not going to be like a bunch. I mean, the field is like still half growing. Oh, let's check the map. Yeah, you can see on the Precision Ag map here, the field is almost hard. Well, we're not even. Well, I mean, hey, we'll get at least a 30% tile mark when we harvest this field. Well, I mean, like, what I'm hoping for is a decent amount of corn coming out of the, wait, why did I, well, I mean, yeah, it'll get done quicker that way, but, well, at least we're at 34% full. And at least the combine is just. Now, I think the combine is starting to collect dirt. I know the header is for a fact, but I also know that the so 8:15 is when we gotta leave for the expo. Now, let's just. So, Riley's got to make his turn. And then back up and turn. But. Yeah, we're actually knocking the stocks that we need. Well, and we're at the 39% full of corn. Now we're making it all the way down. But yeah, I already have that feeling that. So this is harvest year 2, I think. Yeah, harvest year 2, we'll say. Alright, now we're almost done with this field. So, once we get done with the field, we will be done with harvest. And then we gotta get, I mean, with my odds, it'll be a nice little, yeah, the combine. Really is starting. Well, yeah, to collect dirt and all of that. But the crop seems to be having a good yield. So, one thing I wish that they would have in the combine is an actual working monitor that you can like actually track your growth and stuff. Well, hey, we're halfway full. So we've only got the auto steer on. So I'm the one driving the combine. I'm just got the auto steer on for turning. Like, you'll see it here in a little bit when the combine makes its turn. But yeah, I'm the one driving. It's just on auto steer to do. So you see what I mean? Right. No, auto steer just did that, not me. Well, and yeah, we're losing money because of the auto steer, but hey, it's fine. I mean, the more grain we get, the better chances of making a decent amount of money this year. Now, this field I'll probably take to the elevator to sell. So, yeah, now if we do that, I'll bring you guys along on that journey to sell the crop. But, hold on, let's pull it up here on our tablet and see what. So, we got over half the field harvested already, as you can see down the bottom left corner of your screen. So, field 7 is halfway harvested. Crop type corn, fertilized none, except for a little bit on the corners. Hey, we're at the 60. Well, yeah, so once we get done with like fully harvesting this field, or at least what we can, we will. Here, I'll switch to third person real quick. Well, yeah. So, yeah, that'll probably just get, like, disked up. So, we're gonna We're in 68% full already. Well, 65, but you get what I mean. But yeah, the more corn we get, the moisture's at 13%. So yeah, we are probably gonna, well, yeah. So once he gets to like the 98 or 97% full, if we get there. Actually, I'll just go ahead and drop it down because we're still going. I just have it set on cruise. So we're harvesting the corn that needs harvesting. Hey, it's a good thing he's not going to get full on this row, because I'm not driving the tractor through the corn. It's not realistic. But yeah, this field will get all, well, yeah, we're at 80% full, or 80% fuel, so yeah, I need to work up enough money so I can buy another tractor. Well, yeah. No, we're not gonna fill up off of this row either. Well, we might come close, but we're not gonna fill completely. And that's the sucky part about it. You see what I mean? Like, we're not gonna get, well, no, we might get full enough. So, but it'll probably force us to stop on the crop side, not on the empty side. I mean, I'm hoping not, but hey, at least we're gonna get a full combine tank. No, that stuff isn't ready yet. Yeah, here if we check the weather. So we're almost done with the field. We need, October 2nd's looking pretty good, and so is November 1st. But I would like to have the crop out of the ground before October 2nd. Anyway, out of the ground, and probably I'll store it in the bin, because I don't know when the market prices will be good. So yeah, in the bin will probably be our best bet. I mean, for now, hold on. How much do we even have in the storage? Well, corn. 1,001. 1,460, I think. Yeah, that's how much corn we have in the bin, and there's about to be a lot more. Are they home? I don't need to watch that because it's going on autopilot. No. But I'm still gonna watch it because it needs. Well, yeah, 92%. So I'm gonna hop out. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and stop. Well, I mean, he should automatically stop. But, well, I mean, he will. He won't keep going. I know that for a fact. But you gotta be kidding me, though. He put me on the opposite side of the field. We were over clear on the opposite side of the field, and the corn really isn't yielding too good. I mean, yeah, we're yielding fine for now. But the bad thing is we might be able to well, darn it. Well, yeah, oh. Now we can first, let's raise the header. Now I'm just gonna disc up all this excess because I'm not really worried about it. So we're gonna get everything put away. Once we get the so we're good. Him park like right here. We'll go ahead and then run on over to the grain cart real quick. Make sure the auger's out. Really? Dang, I did not want to unhook the header. But that's not, well, I mean, it is not I intended on. I'll just teleport to, well, alright, now we're out in the field with the 8145R, pulling the grain cart to go unload the combine. So, yep, we filled the combine. So, yep, let's go ahead, pull right there. And now we're filling the grain cart, or gravity wagon. Yeah. Hold on, I think the combine is empty. Well, and the sun's starting to set. Yeah, combine empty. So now let's go ahead, get that over to storage, and then we'll get the truck, get the header trailer, and then we will call it a day. Man, that was quite action-packed. But hey, at least we got it done. Now we just gotta get the everything put away. But we're definitely gonna get... Alright, go ahead and slow it down. I just wanted to get out of the field. So, well, the 81 45R handled really well. Pulling the grain cart. I knew it could. So we have officially finished corn harvest and got good work out of one grain cart. The other one still sits there. Now I'm just gonna leave this like hooked up because I'm just gonna pull in and then up because I don't really care. So right now let's see what I mean. Done. So that's done. How much is in storage now? 1,760. 1,700. 1,700. Alright, now let's go. Grab the header trailer. And then get a header on the trailer. Now, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and smash that like button because my goal is 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year. But I know that isn't going to happen because no one really knows about the channel. The only reason I'm on the camera I'm on, well, yeah, I'm gonna pull out into the field. Now, winter work will be moving snow and hunting. And maybe a bit of logging. Alright, well, let's see. Right, there's a good spot. Stop. Yep. Well, now let's head on over there in the combine with the header trailer, get the header on the trailer, and then we will take the combine back, put it up, and then harvest is officially done for the year. And hey, we were done well before, we're done with field work before 7. Now, cleanup may take a little longer. But, hey, at least we got... Stop. Alright, well... Now... Right there. Now, let's go ahead, get this back to the farm. Yeah, we actually were able to finish our combining. All I gotta do is just get this put in the shed and then get the truck and trailer and header parked and then get back up to the house. So, we'll be done before 8, I know that. Because it doesn't take me long to get this put away. Same with the header truck, or header trailer. Now, the big question is, what else would you guys, I have the money, what else would you guys like to see me do? Besides logging and all of that. No, I can't do much, but I can do a little, maybe one request on the series. Hold on, I think Laura Farms might have messaged me. Well, once we get this oh, why is it still out? So we're gonna park the combine right there. Now let's get the header back to the farm. Man, what a rough day. I'm tired and I'm ready to see what the wife has cooking for dinner. Speaking of that, no, that's not. Oh, that's an unknown number. Disregard that call. Now, this is the roleplay series. So, we're able to keep it under an hour. So, let's try and keep the header trailer like right there. So there's it. Now we're gonna head back to the house and then end the video. Man, I'm tired and hungry. That's what I am. Real life too, tired and hungry. But we'll end. Boom. Well, so... Oh, man. Alright, fellas, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.